Tired of writing verbose variable assignments? Destructuring is your shortcut. Destructuring is a JavaScript syntax that lets you extract values from arrays or properties from objects directly into distinct variables. Instead of accessing elements one by one, you unpack them all at once. It's cleaner, faster to write, and easier to read. For arrays, use square brackets. This example extracts the first two elements into variables a and b. You can skip elements using commas or capture the rest using the spread operator. It works with any iterable, not just arrays. For objects, use curly braces. This pulls out the name and age properties into matching variable names. The order doesn't matter, only the property names do. You can also rename variables during destructuring using a colon, like name:username. You can set default values in case a property or element is undefined. Just use an equal sign. You can also nest destructuring for complex data structures and combine array and object destructuring in a single statement. This makes handling API responses incredibly efficient. Destructuring makes your code cleaner by unpacking values in one elegant line. Practice it in your next project and watch your code shrink. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.